So I've rearranged the pulleys on this machine because the motor was overheating. I used a 10-inch, but now I've installed a 14-inch here. The left alternator is putting out 48 volts with this configuration. I had a 10-inch back here and was putting out 10.89 volts, but it was too much of a strain on the motor, so I went back with a 6-inch. I have a 7-magnet rotor with a 130 amp 12 volt stator, but after I'd run it through the charge controller, I get 13.26 volts. The right alternator is making 6.25. Thinking about putting a 24 volt Cummins diesel alternator on there and trying to run it off the 4-inch pulley that I have a double pulley. The system works like this. The solar comes in through here, and then I have a switch so I can turn it off so when I want to run the machine separately, it doesn't overcharge the batteries. I've installed a dual battery switch in which I can run both batteries through the inverter to charge my car or whatever circuit I want to run. This is a 314 amp hour mini, and that's a 140 amp hour regular size battery. Between the two, I can charge the car all the way up from empty, which is 2.71 kilowatts. Also, I'm going to set it up to where I can tie into my panel for when the power goes out. I can use it for an hour or two. Anyway, it's running much smoother and quieter. So this is making 13.26, which is more than the battery really needs. It keeps it up to snuff past 12.8. And this is also 12.8, so I can run this for about an hour or two on the problem. Once I get the 24 volt alternator, then I'll be able to put more power in the drive battery and run the motor while I feed this battery as much power as I can. Yeah, that's where I'm at with it now. It will charge my car from dead stop once it's fully charged through the inverter. And here's what I'm doing with that. I've showed it once before, but I ran a cord from the wall over there to here. The top plug is from the house. The bottom plug is from the inverter, so that cable right there will charge my car up fully. And the reason I did that is because if the power goes out and I still need to charge my car, or if I want to save on the electric bill, I can run off the inverter. And the two solar panels outside are kind of small, but it's putting out 150 watts. But I'm going to change that out with a 290 watt, then use the two smaller panels on some marine batteries in my garage. I hope this helps someone to understand what I'm trying to get done here. Trying to get it to where it self-runs. I'm running it off the wall right now, but once I get that 24 volt alternator fixed up, since I couldn't get a 48 volt stator for the right alternator, I think I will be able to make it self-power plus additional power. That's all I got for now. Thanks for listening.